Yo guys, what's going on? I am George.
And I'm Chrissy.
And this is You Wanna Watch. Today we got something pretty cool. I challenged Chrissy to a utility knife restoration challenge and she has fully accepted.
It's winner take all, baby.
That's it. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so I got all these dismantled. The aluminum ones are in really good shape. I'm quite happy with that. There's no real issues there. This cast Defiance, yeah, I mean, of course, it's got old paint on there. It's got rust. So we're going to throw this on the wire wheel real quick and get this thing cleaned up. So let's get reset up for that. Alright, so the wire wheel did a fantastic job on the outside. There's just still some areas where, of course, it couldn't get on the inside, so we're going to take care of those right quick. Give me a second. Alright guys, what I'm going to do on this is spray some rust reformer on the inside. I'm not going to paint the inside, I don't think, but I do want to keep it from getting rusty again, and that will do the trick right there. Once that cures, it'll create a nice permanent shell that'll turn the bare metal into a nice black patina, and it will not rust up again. So that is cool. Alright, well that dried up nicely. That was pretty quick. Like I said, this is that red anodized. Basically, it's like a car paint. That's what the inside looks like with the rust protectant on there. Came out pretty good. Quite happy with that. I think what I want to do is hit the embellishments here, maybe with some sandpaper, and get the natural metal to show up through there. I hope I can do that without ruining the paint job. So let's give it a shot. Then after that, I think my knives are going to be done. And it's going to be Miss Chrissy's turn. So let's give it a shot. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this or not, but I'm just trying to accent the, what I'm going to call octopus grips on this knife. All right, well, here are my 2 entries into the challenge. This is the aluminum Defiance, $12.99. I think it came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with it, to be honest with you. So, quite happy indeed. And this is the cast iron Defiance. I painted it a anodized red and basically just sanded down where the embellishments are, just to highlight those. I'm quite happy with this. So that's it for this one. Now let's see what Miss Chrissy's gonna do.
Alrighty guys, so I'm doing the 2 Red Devils. This one, better condition, so I'm going to polish it. This one, however, it's dinged up, banged up, scratched up, so it's gonna get a paint job. So let's get them taken apart. Get a flathead screwdriver. Do this, maybe. Assume you can see. Lay it up there. What it looks like on the inside. Let's get a look at this one. Alright, and this one's our painter. So I guess we're gonna go use machines. Well, they came out pretty good. They're shiny. So that's nice. Happy with that. So now I'm going to put it back together. I'm not putting a blade in because they just stay in my little collection. There we go. Nice, right? Okay, so this one is going to be our painter because it's just not as good as the other one. So we're gonna pop it apart. Just that easy. Just like that. And we're just gonna do a little bit of sanding. Then we have to figure out a color. So let's get the sanding done. And this is 600. Okay, so got them sanded. They're a little better, a little less with the ridges and bumpies, and so I think that's a lot better. So I'm gonna clean them up and then we're gonna go find some paint. Acetone, by the way, guys. Okay, I found some paint. We're gonna go with a flat black. And I got mad spray painting skills, just so you guys know. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry and then I'm gonna come back with a second coat and maybe even a third coat. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours and that's 2 coats of the flat black. I didn't paint the inside because I totally didn't see a need to. So I'm just gonna highlight the little embellishments here, and I've seen George use a piece of sandpaper wrapped around a pencil, so that's what I'm going to try and do. So let's see how it goes. Move that one out of the way real quick. I'm probably gonna have to do a little touch up, but it's working.
Alrighty guys, let's get a good quick look at these. I think Chrissy did a fantastic job of buffing this out. I'm very, very proud of her. Fantastic. And this one, she painted a flat black and sanded down the embellishments on both sides. Came out really good. Look how it shines. It's like Knight Rider. That's awesome. This is the anodized red. I painted this cast iron Defiance that color and highlighted the embellishments on there. Stuck a new blade in it. And for my aluminum Defiance, I gave it a satin right here where it always gets chewed up, and then the rest of it's high shine. And then I highlighted, of course, the embellishments as well. So that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I'm quite happy I got Chrissy in the shop with me to mess around with some tools and stuff like that. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.